How to connect Spotify to Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can connect Spotify to Discord. So let's get started. Before starting, make sure that you have Discord application installed on your device and you are logged in into your account. Now open your Discord application and tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Again, click on the gear shift icon in order to get into the settings of Discord. Now here in the screen you can see different options, from which click on the option that says connections. Tap on the add option at the upper right corner and look for the Spotify icon in the list of available connections. Now it will ask you to log in into your Spotify account. After verifying your account, you are able to select how your Spotify activity will be presented on Discord. You can select either to show it as your status or as a separate activity. If you selected agree option, then Discord will be able to view the data on your Spotify account. You can simply skip this step by clicking on cancel. Now after that, your Spotify account will be connected to Discord. So that's it for the video. I hope you understood how you can connect Spotify to Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.